Okay, in Uganda, when we reach November, it is a Nsenene season or grasshopper season. So today I'm here to show you of how to make homemade stir-fried Nsenene or grasshoppers, or homemade Nsenene in barbecue sauce. So for the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel so that you get daily recipes. Remember, on YouTube I release recipes from Monday to Sunday. So we got our Nsenene, we clean them very well. After cleaning them, you remove all the feathers. So after cleaning them, you wash them 4 times, because the Nsenene, they be unclean. So make sure that you wash them 4 times in clean water. As you pour the water, you clean them again. So we are going to start with Nsenene in barbecue sauce. Or we are going to start with homemade Nsenene in barbecue sauce, or grasshoppers in barbecue sauce. So like you see, we need barbecue sauce. If you need the recipe for homemade barbecue sauce, please WhatsApp me. I share you the recipe. Please try this recipe for homemade Nsenene in barbecue sauce. Trust me, you're going to love this version because you have never tasted this version. Then for the new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. So we're going to get the oil, we put on fire. You make sure that the oil is ready, because we need the Nsenene 2 golden brown. We need the Nsenene 2 golden brown. So before you deep fry them, you first salt them. Apply salt on the Nsenene or the grasshoppers. After, deep fry them until golden brown, because we need them golden brown and crunchy or crispy. This Nsenene, because we are going to apply them in barbecue sauce, we are going to apply some sauce in them. So make sure that they are pure golden brown, they are pure crispy. And make sure that before you deep fry them, you first apply salt in this Nsenene. Then after, we are going to put them back in the empty saucepan. In that empty saucepan, we are going to fry them a little bit, like for 1 minute. After 1 minute, you can also apply some aromat, but it is optional. Then after, we are going to apply our barbecue sauce. We are going to apply our homemade barbecue sauce. You can buy this barbecue sauce in the supermarket, or you can make it at home. So if you don't know how to make barbecue sauce, please WhatsApp me on that number. I share you the link of homemade barbecue sauce. So we apply our barbecue sauce. Trust me, your kids are going to love this because it is sweet. It is sweet, so sweet. And you yourself, you're going to also love this. So the grasshopper lovers or the insect lovers, please try out this recipe. Nsenene in barbecue sauce. So we're going to do another version. The second version is stir-fried Nsenene. The second version is stir-fried Nsenene. This stir-fried Nsenene, probably we need some vegetables. You use vegetables on season. You can use vegetables on season. So we are going to get our cleaned Nsenene. We apply them in the pan or in the saucepan. Then you put on fire. Don't put any oil. This one is oil free. Then after, you are going to apply some salt. At the moment, apply some salt and make sure that you pan fry on low heat. Make sure that pan fry on low heat. That means reduce the heat and pan fry the Nsenene until golden brown, because we need them golden brown. These Nsenene, they have natural fats. So that's why when you're doing pan fried Nsenene, you don't apply cooking oil. So pan fry them until golden brown, but make sure that you reduce the heat. Don't use much heat. If you want your Nsenene to become that ready, don't use much heat. So make sure that you fry them until golden brown. For the new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for new recipes. Then apply the minced onions. Apply minced onions when they are ready. Yes, apply when you see they are golden brown, they are crispy. Apply the minced onions. Then you cook again. Don't cook for a long period of time, because they will lose the taste. The onions will lose the taste. Then apply green pepper diced, but make sure that don't apply much. If you don't love the vegetables, you can enjoy your Nsenene before applying the onions. Then you are going to apply the green pepper. Then to give it that different twist, we are going to apply some fresh coriander or oatmeal. and spring onions. Some fresh coriander or cotton and spring onions. Then to balance the color, we are going to apply the diced carrots. To balance the color, we are going to apply the diced carrots. Remember, this is Chef Joshua Musisi. For the new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to share this link or this video with each and everyone. Wow, just look at that. Just look at that. Wow, this is Nsenene. My Jaja's clan, Jajasepuya Rosemary. So today I decided to cook my Jaja's clan. But I taste, I don't taste. I taste some. Jaja, can I taste some? No, don't taste, Joshua. So today I decided to cook my Jaja's clan. See you next time. I love you.